looks like we have lobby 4. We're coming out the exit, which by the way, lobby 4 is back and open. We're coming out, we got the ride right above us, and boom. El Diablo. Yep, that's right, folks. El Diablo, smack dab right there. You got some hoses. There. Those I'm presuming are going to be for the entrance. Got another hose way over there. Got some motors right over there. La Diablo. That's right. Lots of equipment. Presumably where the queue line will go. Entrance. Exit's right on the other side. Now, the question here is, where in the world is the El Diablo statue going to go from Six Flags Great Adventure? I don't really know. If any of y'all have y'all's thoughts, please post them in the comments below. Otherwise, that'll pretty much do it from this construction update. Not really a better angle. Not much happened with the ride, except for some lumber was put on the supports and a subway cut. And the train was moved slightly, where the front car is sticking out over there, but otherwise, not much new stuff. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Very, very soon I will hopefully be putting out the Chop 6 review, but I don't know. I might not do that.